our next part of this is what exactly is Turing machine. So you can see here I've written it is similar to FA, finite automata, but of course there would be some differences. That is why it is the most powerful machine. Now let us see what it is exactly. See, now it has this input tape. This is called, we already know, we have seen finite automata, we have also seen push down automata. Now this is Turing machine, same. There is an input tape, right? And input tape is divided into the cells. See, these are the cells. Now these cells contain single symbol, like each cell will have only one symbol, right? You can see the symbols. Now let us see. Now here there is now the difference. Look on the difference. Earlier in finite automata and in push down automata we only have this read head only, but now we have read head also and writing head also, right? And then that is joined into the finite control unit. Now earlier also I told you finite control unit, what was it? It shows the transition of states. मतलब इस स्टेट से इस सिंबल, सपोज करो Q0 स्टेट है, उसको A दिया तो वो नेक्स्ट कौन से स्टेट पे गया. बट देयर वुड बी सम एडेड थिंग्स ऑल्सो. सो व्हाट आई हैव रिटन हियर, प्लीज see it. We have a tape that is divided into cells. ये tape है that is divided into cells. Now each cell has a single alphabet to be processed. Each cell has a single alphabet to be processed. That is, each cell is capable of holding one element. I've shown you. Now we have FCU, finite control unit, same as in the finite automata. Now what does it does? See, this is the finite control unit, same. This shows the state transitions, means एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट पर गया कौन सा सिंबल लेकर. Now the important question, अभी तक तो similarities. Now important question, why this is so powerful? Now do you remember that in finite automata we defined finite automata with only 5 tuples, right? But here we will define the Turing machine with 7 tuples. Now let us see what those 7 tuples are. See, Turing machine is defined by the set of 7 tuples, that is sigma, capital Q, Q naught, capital F, tau, blank symbol B, and transition. Now one important thing that you should know, I don't know whether earlier you know it or not, but you should know, this is a set. See, this is the set. तो कौन सा टपल पहले आएगा, मतलब कौन सा टपल पहले आएगा, कौन सा टपल बाद में आएगा, that doesn't make any difference. Why? Because as this is a set, and set is what? Set is an unordered collection of elements. उसमें ordering नहीं होती है. It is the unordered collection of elements. Have you jotted down? See, you have to make the notes side by side because you wouldn't get, I don't feel कि इतना informative Turing machine पे मिलेगा. Okay. So let us start with the first symbol, that is the sigma. This is called as input alphabets. Now what do we mean by input alphabets here? ये था आपका टेप, ठीक है, जो डिवाइडेड था सेल्स में, और इसमें हमारे कुछ सिंबल्स थे. Now what is input alphabets? Input alphabets वो वाले सिंबल्स होते हैं जो भी हमें क्वेश्चंस में दिया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपको बोला है कि स्ट्रिंग ABCDE प्रोसेस करें, क्वेश्चन में दिया है, तो वो इनपुट अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं, ठीक है. जो मतलब जो भी टेप में लिखा हुआ है, जो भी इनपुट स्ट्रिंग है, जो भी हमें इनपुट स्ट्रिंग मिली है क्वेश्चन में, दैट इज व्हाट? आवर इनपुट अल्फ़ाबेट्स. सिमिलरली कैपिटल Q, व्हाट इज कैपिटल Q? इट इज सेट ऑफ स्टेट्स. जितना भी स्टेट्स है, दैट इज द सेट ऑफ स्टेट्स. नाउ Q naught. Q naught is initial state. Initial state here Q naught belongs to capital Q. That is the initial state. Now Q naught belongs to capital Q. That means initial state